is very, very simple thing. We cut them into shapes that we like. We're going to place them on and spread them on the plate. Then we'll use the parsley. We'll crush a bit of garlic. We'll mix the parsley and the garlic together, and we sprinkle it on the top. A bit of salt, a bit of
oil, a bit of vinegar.
Yes, and that's it. This is another simple dish.
Cut your peppers into small pieces and place on your serving plate. Crush the garlic and parsley together and sprinkle over the top.
A little bit of oil.
It's good to soak well in the oil.
So a lot of oil then. Lovely. Okay.
And tiny amount of the vinegar, not too much.